Power on the machine. Connect your laser machine to the computer with a USB cable. Open the lid. Place your material inside the machine. Close the lid. Please visit WeCreat.com, click on Software, and download the Lightburn configuration file. When download is done, please open the Lightburn software. Now click on Device and import the configuration file you downloaded. After clicking OK, Lightburn will start connecting to the machine. Edit text WeCreat anywhere on the canvas to perform a test. Click Focus. The machine will automatically lower to the optimal engraving height. Click Frame. The laser head will move over the corresponding processing area on the material, so you will know the approximate size and position of the engraving. Click Cuts or Layers. Select the processing mode Fill, and then set the parameters. Click Start. The machine will begin engraving. Once engraving is complete, you can click Stop. The machine will rise back to the highest position.